Set custom ringtone in iPhone. First of all, you have to install the GarageBand app, then open the GarageBand. Once you are in GarageBand, you have to scroll here to find out the audio recorder. Select audio recorder. Once you are in audio recorder, here you have to disable this option. And after that, you have to enable FX mode. To enable FX mode, just tap on this icon and your FX mode will be turned on. Here we have to import our custom song. So tap on this icon, select Files, tap on Browse Items from the Files app. Now from your Files app, just go ahead and select the music that you want to use as custom ringtone. And here we can see the music imported. Now just drag and drop the music into this timeline. Now, if you want to crop the music, you can do it just like this. If you want to hear the ringtone, just tap on this play button. Okay, now tap on this icon, select My Songs, and the music will save under GarageBand. Once it's successfully saved here, long press on the music, tap on Share, select Ringtone. Now rename your ringtone here. I'm typing here My 15 and tapping on Export. Once your ringtone successfully exported, now all you have to need, just go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone. In this list here, you will find your ringtone, custom ringtone. Now you can select your custom ringtone.